Okay, this is for all my students doing technique, a dozen a day, the pink book, group 2. Let's go. Exercise number 1, it's a 4-finger exercise. You go from C to F in the right, from C to G in the left. Transfer the weight of your arm onto each fingertip, nice and slow, with minimal movement of the fingers, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Second exercise. Okay, contrary motion, all the way out to finger 4 and back, all the way out to finger 3 and back. Now, both hands on middle C, both hands on middle C for small hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. For bigger hands, maybe what you can do is the right hand there, the left hand there. And look how the arms move. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. From middle C, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Now, if you want to do that variant with the hands far apart, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Go. Okay, the next exercise. Now, I think this is about training finger 4 and using finger 4 with your arm and wrist. Because finger 4 is a little tricky to train, you'll find. So, I think this exercise could be played like this. These 2 notes, legato. And then a nice drop on that note. A nice drop of your weight on that note. So you drop on that note, you play legato, you drop on that note, then you lift your hand there, ready to drop again. You drop on that note and you play that legato. And you drop again on that note and you play that legato. So long story short, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. So mind that since you're using finger 4, you're transferring your weight to finger 4. There has to be a little sideways movement of the arm and the wrist so that you get a nice legato and you're ready to drop again on finger 4 on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. This is the same technique that we found in group 1, where we use finger 1 and 2. But now we use finger 1 and 4. So same technique, but we train also finger 4 in the right hand, which it's a little bit of a tricky finger. Now, same as the previous exercise, since we have to use finger 4, there is a little bit of a sideways movement in that direction for the wrist and the forearm. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Drop, roll off. Drop, roll off. Like in group 1, only we're using finger 1 and 4. Now, this one is a similar exercise for the left hand, but it's slightly different. We are not going back to finger 1, we are dropping again on finger 4 in the left hand. So here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. This is a 5-finger exercise for the left hand. That's it. Again, minimal articulation of the fingers. Minimal. Rather, transfer the weight of your arm onto your fingertips through your fingers, which become firm as required. So that's the exercise. Goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. This is a 5-finger exercise in contrary motion in the opposite direction, all the way out to finger 5, back, out to finger 3, and back. Now for small hands and small people, thumbs on middle C, if you can do that. 2, 3, 4. 'Do you see how the arms move? See how the arms move? The fingers lower the keys, but it's the arms and the wrists which trace the line of music. Look at the arms. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Now from the side. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Now, if you want to try the variant where the hands are far apart, there, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Now let's see how we do this. Like I mentioned previously, and I'll mention it again and again and again, I want to see participation of the wrists and the forearms. It is never just finger work. So, this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. And from the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Okay. Now you have three notes, one after the other, and you start with a low wrist, you drop, and over the three notes you slightly raise the wrist, which helps the legato, and then you drop on the chords. So you come up with the wrist, get gravity on your side, and then drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now, clearly, to drop each chord, you have to raise your wrist again. You see? So you release each chord gracefully, and you drop on each chord again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now, a nice gentle staccato. Not too fast, not too fast, nice and slow. Show me the staccato, from touching the surface of the keys. In other words, that. Minimal finger work, if any. That's a staccato. On finger 5, that's that, just a gentle flick. A gentle flick. The finger becomes firm just for the time that it needs to activate the key. So here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, the two hands draw a descending line. The two hands need to play so smoothly and so evenly and so equal that it has to sound like one hand. Okay? So that goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. side. 2, 3, 4. And then finally, the last one is just a little melody for you to read. So I'll leave it to you. And that's Those in a Day, the Pink Book Group 2.